Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. Hope you guys are well by the grace of Almighty. This is Tareq with you. Today I'll show you that how to use Canva Pro for free. So first of all, you have to go any browser of your computer. Okay, then I'll check a new window. Then you have to go at Canva's official website, canva.com. Okay. Then you have to click at sign up. Then you have to click at sign up with the email. Then give a name at here. This is maybe Sadia name. Okay. Then you have to give a mail at here. So I will use a temp mail. Temp mail. Okay. This is the temp mail website. Take a random mail from here. This is loading. Just wait. Okay, copy that mail. You can use your real mail, no problem. So give the mail at here, and then you have to give a password. So I'll copy that mail and then open a notepad so that I can log in further. Okay, this is the mail and pass. Okay, then you have to give a password at here. I will give a password Sadia. I hate you 100%. Okay, this is the password. I will note this password at here. Sadia, I hate you 100%. Okay, save it. Okay, go back to browser and then click on get started. Okay, this is loading till then wait. Okay, then you have to select a category from here why you want to create this Canva account. So I'll select the small business. Then you have to click at skip from right. Then click on maybe later. Then click on skip. Then select a random design from here. So look at here, this is a normal Canva, this is not a Pro. So we have to shift on Canva Pro. So what you have to do, so basically there is some company who purchase Canva to teamwork for teamwork. So we will use their in teamwork invitation link. So you have to open a link in a new tab. I will keep this link on video description or comment box. So this is the link. You have to copy that and paste it in new tab and then enter. Okay. Before entering in this link, you have to confirm your Canva account. Go to your mail address and then open this mail from Canva and then click on confirm email. Okay, your email is confirmed. Then close this tab. Okay, we'll copy the link again. Team invitation link. This is team invitation link, and then copy this link and open in a new tab. Maybe this will be late for 2, 3 or 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, we should wait. Okay, this link is loading successfully. Then what they say to me, welcome to your Canva Pro team. Okay, then there is some text about the facilities. Then you have to just click at got it, and now you shift at Canva Pro. You can see that select a random mail from here, and then if you want to download that, click on download and select JPG, and you can select 100 quality from here and then download it. So this is the proper process to use Canva Pro for free. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Allah Hafiz.